Hello, welcome back. I'm going to show you how to insert math symbols in Brain Honey. I've got a couple videos. The next one is about square roots. This one I'm just going to go over exponents. I'm going to click on the little sigma right here. Click right there. And I can do one of two things. If I can't remember the symbol, I can click up here and go from ASCII math to LaTeX math. I'm going to stick with ASCII math for right now, and I'm going to show you what happens when I type in this little symbol. It's called a caret. It's a shift and the number 6 on the keyboard. And all that appears down here is a little caret, but what if I put the letter X in front of that, and let's say a number 2 behind that. So I did X and a caret and a 2. I know it's small right here, but look what appears right down here. Say I put this in, but this is what appears. And now if I click insert, that's what appears. So it's going to make putting in your math a lot easier. Let me show you how to do a difficult one, and you can follow along. I'm going to show you how to put in something that's a little bit more difficult. Let's see here, 12x to the second power. Type that in. Okay, 12x squared. Okay, and then I'm going to say plus. See what appears down below. Okay, so far so good. And let's say I want y to the 4th power on the top. And then I want this whole thing to be divided by, let's say 2x. So I'm going to put a little space there. I'm going to put the division sign. The division sign is just a little forward slash. Uh-oh. What happened here? Something got messed up here right off the bat. Let's see. Let's delete that. Okay, it goes back to that, but if I put divided by, something is messed up here. I want this whole thing down here to be divided by like 2x. So to do that, I'm going to put the division sign, and I'm going to go ahead and put 2x on the bottom and see what happens. Oh, I see, it divides 2x, but only the last term. I wanted this whole thing to be divided by 2x. So I'm going to go back up here, right here, and I'm going to put in a bracket right there, and then a parenthesis right there. So I put this first part in parentheses, and then the second part, well, there's still a problem. The 2 down here is divided by 2, but then it multiplies by x. So maybe if I put a parenthesis here and a parenthesis here, there we go. That's exactly what I wanted. So whenever you use the division sign, you have to use parentheses. So let's click insert. That's a pretty good one. To do multiplication, you can just do like 12x, and then 12v, that's not 12x. There's a bunch of different things you can insert. Let me go down to LaTeX right here and click insert symbol, and there's a multiplication. There's also division here. I'm going to try this one. Just do this one here. You can see, look what it does. It puts in a times sign, but look what it put in right up here. So 12x times 34y to the fourth power. Ooh, boy, it gave me a little error there for a second. So then you click insert, and it makes a nice little equation for you. Mess around with this for a little bit. You'll get the hang of it. See you next time.